In this example, we're going to find a linear function or an equation of a line that is perpendicular to a line that we've been given. So we're told that the graph of a line passes through the point -1, -6, and that the line is perpendicular to the line with the equation 5x plus 7y equals -14, and we're asked to find the linear function that represents this line. So remember that perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals of each other. So our first step in this case will be to find the slope of the line that we're given. So we're given the line 5x plus 7y equals -14. So our first step will be to put that in slope-intercept form. We'll subtract our 5x to the right-hand side, and then divide everything by 7. And this is a typo. This 7 should not be here. This should just be a y. So be aware of that. This 7 is a typo. So if you're writing this down, you can cross that 7 out. It should just be the equation y equals -5/7 x minus 2. So again, the -5/7 is just coming from the fact that we've taken the 7 to the other side, divide that through, we get -5/7, and then divide here. 14 divided by 7 is the 2, so that's where the -2 is coming from. So again, now that we've got this in slope-intercept form, we recognize that the slope is -5/7. Now again, we're looking for the line that's perpendicular, so the slope of the perpendicular line is the negative reciprocal. So since the slope of the line we're given is negative, the slope of the line we're looking for is positive, and then we take the reciprocal. In this case, we get 7/5. So our slope of the line we're looking for is 7/5. To find the equation of the line we're looking for, we'll use point-slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Our point that we're given is -1, -6. So we'll have y minus a -6 equals the slope, the 7/5, times x minus a -1. Here we'll distribute the 7/5 through, so we'll get 7/5 x, and then minus a minus makes a plus, so we get a plus 7/5. And on the left-hand side we have, again, the minus a minus makes a plus, so we have y plus 6. To finish this example off, we're asked to write the linear function, so we'll put it in function notation. So we'll solve for y, and then replace the y with f of x. Subtracting 6 to the other side, 6 is the same thing as 30 over 5, so we have 7/5 minus 30/5, so that's where the -23 over 5 is coming from. And then again, we will replace y with f of x, so our function that we're looking for is f of x equals 7/5 x minus 23/5.